Hey there, guys. Welcome to Waterville Movie Theater, where we show older movies at a discounted price. Today, you're going to learn how to find out how long these movies are. Because this is an actual math problem, these aren't the actual running times of the films, but it's just for practice. So the first thing you can do is draw a number line. And excuse my messy writing, I'm writing with a mouse here. But if you look at Toy Story 2, it starts at 9 o'clock. And our job is to try to get to 12 o'clock to see how much time has passed. So we're going to jump in hour increments to try to make life a little bit easier for ourselves. So that's 1 hour. 9 plus 1 hour brings you to 10 o'clock. From 10 o'clock, I'm going to try to jump another hour. That brings us to 11 o'clock. And then finally, our final jump, 11 plus 1 hour, brings us to 12 o'clock. So if you wanted to know how long this film was, it would be 1, 2, 3 total hours.